How to see a role settings on Discord mobile. Hello guys, this video will show you how to see a role settings on your Discord mobile. First go to Discord and then go to your server and now go to settings and then click settings and now you need to find roles, this one, click on it and then select any role you want to see settings and then click on it, and as you see this is settings of this role, and that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.